Well, I'm hoping I solved the problem with the idle on the right side cylinder. I just I would set it, and then suddenly it would idle, and then it would run. And I've had some comments with chaps with similar problems with the idle. And basically, this is the idle fuel mixture screw. Now, this is the left bank with, you can see it's got an O-ring and a washer and a spring plate. So basically what happens is whenever you make an adjustment, firstly it seals whatever air would want to enter in there, and it also keeps the needle at arm's length from the hole, so it's always calibrated with a spring pushing back. This is what I found. So I went in with a torch and I found all the bits deep inside. Let's see. That'll do. Start it again.
Nothing is exactly. Yeah, well, this is the story of this Guzzi. Got another strip bolt. Just going to flush this out. Get rid of all the debris. So here is the third Tappet readjustment at 0.22 millimeters on both sides. For some unknown reason, they were out twice, too tight. So this one is now dialed in and it's sounding even nicer. This doesn't get better than that. I'm going to try something today that I thought I might not be able to do, and that is to get rid of these. You can see these
little stain marks in the casings. And a friend of mine had told me, and I'm not endorsing this company at all, but I'm going to give this a try. If I can get this one-stage cleaner for the client, that would be fantastic, because we're nearly done with the bike. Definitely better, a lot better. There's just some stubborn marks like that, which are going to take a bit more work to get out, but it does look good. So I've had to take the master cylinder off. I already cleaned it a little bit. You can see what state it's in. Now I'm going to have to make a call on this to see whether this is going to be safe enough and won't jam on the client. So we're going to have a good look inside. Check and see that we can clean the holes, get this master cylinder back in running order, otherwise we just order a new one. Just going to put a little bit of wire down there. Feel it popping through now. Remember, you've got to grease this with a particular type of hydraulic grease paste, and we'll see how smooth we can get it, because it was a bit sticky. So we're just going to give it a light coating. Oh my goodness, that's just beautiful. That's just lovely. Okay. That's it.